What's up, GreenStripe members? It's Mike from GreenStripe. As you know, we have a brand new service for 2026 called the Signature Lawn Renovation, and I am super excited about it because, well, I've been kind of wanting to buy this machine for a couple years now and figure out how to put the service together because I absolutely love applying compost to yards. I've been actually trialing it out on a few yards over the past couple years, and we've gotten amazing results from it. So basically, the Signature Lawn Renovation is going to come out and double core aerate your lawn. We're going to apply the seeds as we always do across the entire lawn area. And then we are going to run this brand new earth and turf machine that we just got and apply this amazing compost that you know. It's called the lobster compost from Coast of Maine. We're going to apply that nice and evenly throughout all of your lawn areas. I mean, amazing benefits. Soil to seed contact is the #1 thing, so we're going to cover up those seeds. Tons of moisture, tons of great organic matter going out. This is a true way to amend the soil. You know, in the golf course world, they do this practice all the time. Maybe they use a little bit of sand combo, which we're kind of getting out of this type of product here. But I'm super excited to offer this service to you guys now. It's been quite some time in the making, so I really hope you enjoy it. So for 2026, this is going to be a very limited service. Since we do need to pre-buy materials for this, we do need to have all orders in by mid-August. So we are only going to be offering 30 slots for this. If you do need to get any prices for this service, you can always reach out to me or one of the member advisors. We'll be able to come out, make sure that this machine can go on the back of your gates, make sure that we can effectively do the job, and most importantly, deliver you the best results we possibly can. So reach out to us, stay tuned. We can't wait to post up some good videos of some beautiful yards after this service. So make sure you inquire about the service now, pre-book now. There is a 10% off for prepaying. If you pre-book now, 30 services, that's it. See you on the lawn.